If you or anyone you know has been quietly thinking about moving, stop scrolling now for just 30 seconds. Right now, I'm working with serious, pre approved buyers actively searching for homes in your area. The challenge? There's not a lot of homes for sale at the moment. Properties that are priced right are selling fast. So I'm reaching out directly. Are you considering taking advantage of the current market? Or do you know of friends, families, work colleagues, people in the street that are perhaps scaling down, relocating, or thinking about selling? Even if you're just curious about your home's worth today, I offer 100% free, no obligation CMAs, comparative market analysis. So if you're interested, give me a call, direct message me, DM, and I am happy to help.
Melissa Views Your Home.